How to use Discord on phone for beginners. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to use Discord on phone for beginners. So, let's begin. The very first step is to simply open your Discord app on your phone and sign in with your account. So if you haven't signed up yet, make sure to sign up using your phone or your email and then create a password and set up your profile. So let's then assume that you have already created a profile or an account. What you're going to do now is to either create a server or join a server. So for example, you want to create a server, make sure to click on the plus button right here and then click on create my own, or you may also choose from the templates available right here. So that includes gaming, school club, study group, friends, artists and creators, and local community. So if you want to if you want to start from scratch, simply click on create my own right here and then choose either for me and my friends or for a club or community. So click on it and then you may type in the name that you want, upload a photo and click on create server once you are done. So then let's assume that we have created a server right here. Once you are in a server or you have created a server, you may add participants by clicking on invite right here. So click on invite and you may either copy the link or share the link, or you may also add them by their name as well. So for example, that you have done inviting your friends, and then you may now join the voice channels like this one. So on the voice channel, if you are going to join a voice channel, you may be able to talk with your friends, you may be able to share your video, you may share your screen and stream, for example, like if you're going to play video games on your PC or your laptop, you may be able to share your screen, and you may be able to share your screen as well using your phone. So your friends may be able to see what you're doing on your phone, and then you may be able to interact as well. If you don't want to have the voice call or the um, speaking with audio, you may also join the text channels right here. So choose a text channel and then type in the text that you want. So you may type in whichever you want and then send it to them. You may add emojis, also GIFs. So click on it and you may also add photos as well. So once you have done that, let's say for example that you want to join a server. So just simply click on the plus button right here and then click on join a server right here. So you should make sure to have the link of the server, and if not, then you may not be able to join the server of your friends, for example. And if you are bored like um me sometimes, you may just type in whatever word that you think of. So for example, I'll just think of burger. So I'll just type in burger and click on join server and then wait for it to load. And then right here there are actually random servers that you may be able to join to. So just click on accept invite and then that's it. So that's it. That's how you can use Discord on phone for beginners. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.